I hope it hurts a lot.
It might hurt too much.
Oh man, oh man, that was so fucking funny. Do you see him swing over the fucking handlebars? Oh my god.
Yeah, we need a bike that doesn't have shots.
Oh man, that's so funny. Oh shit.
Is the video still going?
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit that one.
Oh, okay, okay. An added twist. Alright, go for it. Oh my god! Yes! 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 Oh man, that was so fucking funny. Oh man, that was so fucking funny. Yes! Yes! What now? What now? Curbs all over America. Curbs beware for our bike skills. Ha ha ha.